Hello foodies, welcome to Salad and Food. Today I am going to make Tomato Lababdar. So let's start. Ingredients for the dish are as follows. We will start by whipping some fresh cream. Now slice the tomatoes as shown. Spray some oil on a pan. Place the sliced tomatoes. Spray some oil on the tomatoes. Roast both sides of the tomatoes as shown. Now take the skin of the roasted tomatoes as shown. Add oil to the pan. Add crushed ginger. Add garlic cloves. Add sliced green chilies. Add diced onions. Add turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala, and salt to taste. Mix well. Now add the fresh cream. Mix well. Cook it for 2 minutes. Don't overcook it. Now the gravy is ready. Now pour the gravy on the roasted tomatoes. Now garnish with sliced tomatoes and sliced almonds. And also garnish with spring onions. It looks so delicious. Eat and enjoy! Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe. Salad and Food. Thank you. See you in the next recipe.